another video here on my channel. My name is Trika. For those of you who are new of Trika Plans, and for my returning subscribers, welcome back, family. This is where the planning and the cuteness collide here at Trika Plans. Hashtag Cuteness Squad. We are here for all the cuteness. We're here for the planning, creating, organization, creating lifestyle, inspiration, encouragement, and so much more. I know you all have heard the spiel before, but if you're not already a part of the family and you are interested in subscribing, all you simply have to do is tap the red subscribe button. Also turn on that notification bell so that you can stay updated on uploads and lives. Give your girl a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. We would love to have you over here at Trika Plans. I have here my pink KIKKI-K. I like to switch my covers, change the outfits up a bit. It is changing since it is approaching February, and January I had the black zip around KIKKI-K and I gave you all a flip through, so I'm going to give you a quick little flip through of my pink baby. I finally got my new inserts in. I just decorated it a little bit. I have here Don't Touch My Planner with my pink ollie clip. I have here a scallop page protector that I made myself. And what is held in this on this ollie clip is this journaling card from Gold Mine and Coco. It came in the January sub box. I have my dashboard here with my name, Entrepreneur Boss, and hashtag Cuteness Squad. And I also have here a page protector and some vellum. A lippy a day will keep you at bay. I got this from, I think it's Heather B and Co. And I also have my other little pink small ollie clip on my calendar section with Planner Life. This is from the Capital Chic. She have some die cuts and die cuts with the little ladies, and this came in it. So here is my monthly section. I will be decorating the month for the month of February in here. I don't know if I'm going to do a video of that, but this is my monthly section. This is my to-do section with this beautiful, this came from oh my god, what's her name, Planner Swag Boutique. This is a page marker. I laminated it, and I also have this planner belongs to the Trika. This is my to-do section with the cloth and paper inserts. This was my plans for last week, and we are here, and I just find little things to redate. So we are gonna do a plan with me on my other inserts, because this is just like my to-do section. So I don't list too much in here. I just list some of the things that I have going on, and I have these clipped. So we are going to the next section, which is my project section, and I just have a month at a glance, and I have all of the top goals and projects and appointments and stuff that I have in the project section. And I also have here these inserts came from Lucky Little Planner. These are cloth and paper. These ones are Lucky Little Planner, and I have some more vellum. There's a lot of baggage that comes with me, but it's Louis Vuitton baggage. Yes, it is. That's me all day, and Coffee is my boyfriend with the coffee stains. So I thought that was cute together. So you get the gist of my style. And this is my personal section. This is the weekly, and I tested it out. So I didn't do a plan with me because I wanted to test out these inserts first, and these are also from Lucky Little Planner. These are the week on 4 pages. I wanted to try it out, so I'm feeling it. I really like it. So what I will be doing is the plan with me for the 27th through the 2nd on it within these inserts. After these inserts right here, we have the home section, and I just have a jelly dashboard, some more vellum, and we have the home section, and I just have these cloth and paper inserts that have 1 through 25 on here, so I can jot down things that I need done for the home. We have the meal section right here, and I just started this week, so I need to put my dates up here. I went grocery shopping already. We did that. What is today? Yeah, today is Wednesday, so we did that Monday. Went grocery shopping, and these inserts also came from Lucky Little Planner. Then we have the wellness section. So I just jot down different things for my health, how I'm feeling, and I thought these inserts was really super cute. So I probably will be ordering some more because I really do like them, and it have your week. So Monday I was a little sick. My sinuses was acting crazy, so I took some sinus meds, and I took a half a sinus pill that night. So this will help me keep track of the things that I have to do. So I just have my habits tracker. It says symptoms tracker, but I'm gonna just track like my H2O, my sinus medicine, my iron pills, and my sleep. So I'm trying to, I gotta get my iron up like 0.5 or 0.1 or something like that. So I have to be mindful and track that. So we also have here the social section. This is my social media inserts. I only got one because I am trying it out. So I gotta find me some little YouTube little stickers, and I know I got a sticker book with them in there. I think it's the Boss Babe one. I'm not sure, but I am trying it out, and this is for this week. I'm not even finished dating it or whatever, but I want to go ahead and get these videos out. So I said, let me go ahead and just give y'all this quick flip. This is my goals section. More inserts from cloth and paper. And here is the notes. So I just took some notes off of my Agenda 52 little tab, and I just put them in there. Then we have the finance section. Yeah, my sinus is still acting crazy. And then here's another bow divider. I love those. So we have, I got all of my bills. I think that's all of them. And then we have the budget section. And I already did my budget for, I gotta put my dates in, but most of these are already paid so far. And then I just have the miscellaneous section where I have some highlighter strips. I don't know, I was gonna type on these, but I might just write on them. I don't know, because I'm trying to still get my printing life together. Then I have another page divider that I made, and then I have this right here in the back. It's a card from The Right Concepts. It says stay humble. Yeah, stay humble. And I think it's stay humble. Oh, okay, I know what it says now. I knew I got it for a reason. I had to think hard. Stay humble and hustle hard. I'm looking like, what did it say? And then I just have a little thing I laminated, some tissue paper, and then I have my date dots back here in the back, and I just have this as my page lifter, and I have just my little note section, and I took the pen out. I don't know where it's at, but it's a Simply Gilded sparkly pink pen that I have in it, and I also have some bows that I'm gonna put on here, and I'll finish jazzing it up. But if you want to see me plan on camera for the first time in my new inserts, then let's get to planning. I am excited, so let's see how this is gonna turn out. I have here, I'm not a morning person, and this week I'm gonna try to, maybe this weekend I'm gonna do some Netflix and chill, and I wish I can get me another clawfoot tub and just have my Netflix playing in the back. So this is the Relaxation Time 3-page kit from Lily Sky Dream. I don't even know if my code is still available, but it used to be Trika 35. I'm going to reach out to her and see if the code is still available, and then I'll keep you guys posted. But here is the kit. We have the washi strips, Okay, no, we have the full boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 8 full boxes. We have 4 quarter boxes down to the bottom. We have our bottom washi. I have boxes, our bill due and habit trackers with, excuse me. And then we have our checklist, decor, hey weekend, and our this week, our weekly header. So I used this kit as well last week, and it also came from Lily Scott. So I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna quit rambling and let's get to planning. Okay, you guys, here is the completed spread. I just wanted some clean lines and just some, well, I'm not technically a minimalistic planner. I'm more decorative because I just like looking at cute things. I love the cuteness. So it's all about relaxation this week, even though I feel like I'm not getting much rest, but I am going to try. And if you hear this train, I am on my lunch break, and it comes every day between 12:58 and 1:15. So I think it turned out super cute. And I can't believe that I'm loving the week on 4 pages. Lucky Little Planner did her thing with this. I don't know, it just gives me versatility to kind of see multiple pages of a kit, actually. So I think it turned out super cute. And I already put like my me time, my planning time, laundry. I gotta put my little church sticker. I gotta find all my strip stickers because I put them all. I got a Trika sticker stash on my desk, but I keep just putting all kind of other stuff on it. But I really like this. I like this kit. This is super cute, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. And if you're thinking of getting some inserts, I get the printed inserts because y'all know my printing sucks, but I'm gonna do better for 2020. I'm gonna get that print life together, like I keep saying, and I am one day. But as far as like this much print, I just I leave it to the people who print them. It's simple. But if you are, I hope you guys are inspired to keep planning, keep the cuteness going, keep loving what you do. It's all about loving what you are doing. Don't let planning stress you out. I'm gonna have some stuff coming your way for the month of February to help you relax a little bit, wind down, love what you do, love this planning. And if you are not already subscribed to the family, we would love to have you. All you simply have to do, tap the red subscribe button. I think it's over here somewhere or over there, whichever way you're viewing it. Also hit that notification bell so that you can stay updated on uploads and lives. Give your girl a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much. We are at 450. We will be to 500 in no time. Make sure you tell a friend, tell your friends to tell a friend, tell a family member, tell some of your planner babes to come on over here to Trika Plans. I would love to have you. Hashtag what? Cuteness Squad. I will see you in my next one. Toodles.